So most of the time you'll be given the function and you need to find a way to know your intercepts and sketch them. So to sketch cubic graphs, I'm going to go through 3 steps. The first thing to do when the function is given of this format is to find out the intercept by setting y equals 0. So you want to know the values on the x-axis. You do that by setting y equal to 0. So if y equal to 0, it means x plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0, x minus y equals 0, and so on. You work out the values. So x plus 3 equals 0 will give us x to be equals to negative 3. This bracket will give us x negative 1. This bracket will give us 1. These are the roots of the equation, or in simply terms, the point on the x-axis that you need to mark. So we know our roots for the equation. Step 2 is to get the y-intercept. You get the y-intercept by setting x equals 0. The first step is y equals 0 to find x. Second step, x equals 0 to find y. So if x is equal to 0, this is what you have. All you have is 3 in the bracket, 1 and negative 1, and you multiply. That gives you negative 3. So I now know my roots and I know my intercepts. So I'm going to do a sketch. On the x-axis, I need to mark negative 3, negative 1, and 1. Done. On my y-axis, I need to mark negative 3. Also done. Then remember, x times x squared times x cubed is a positive s cubed. So that suggests a graph of this format. So you need to check. So that's a positive coefficient. Then think of it. How do you draw the graph through all the 3 points and the intercept? You need to practice these. Once you keep practicing, you will know how to draw them. So this is what it's going to look like. So that is a graph. So you have your intercept, negative 3. It's a positive graph, so it's up and down and up.